What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carmen Estela, and today we've got another mukbang. Alright, my sounds like it's kind of going out because I just woke up and I was working last night, so yelling out cocktails, the whole thing, you know how that goes. So welcome back, guys. I'm so happy to have you here today. This was, you guys voted on this, carne asada fries. I gave you guys a few options to vote on. So this is what you guys voted on. You guys wanted this, so we're gonna eat this today. Thank you so much for being here. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. So happy to have you here today. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, my name is Carmen. I like to do mukbangs, and I've been a little MIA, but I'll let you guys know what's been going on this past week. I think it's been a week, yeah. So let's get into it. And here I have a pineapple agua fresca. So let's try this really fast. This is my first time having it, so. That tastes so good. Okay, we'll put that down here. Let me show you guys the fresh carne asada fries. I'm sure there's guac in there, but I'm gonna add my own guac or my own avocado because we gotta make this. How we doing, y'all? Let me know in the comments. Are you guys on spring break? What do you guys have planned for your spring break? All that good stuff. Let me know. So this is the red salsa. I like to put both. And I like this spot because they make it like to order. But I've only had their carne asada fries once, and I totally forgot that they don't have guac in there. So let's take a big bite. Look at that steam still coming out of there. Mm-mm-mm. Amen. Forgot to say grace, y'all. That's how hungry I am. I worked last night, so I kind of slept in. So no breakfast for me. It's like almost 2 o'clock. So yeah, Tommy woke up with Cyrus this morning and was taking care of him while you girls slept because I was exhausted. It's actually pretty busy out here in Vegas, I think, with spring break. So that's why I've been a little MIA. It was also my mother's birthday, so she had a birthday party, and I had family in town. That's good. So yeah, this week was just kind of like filled with family and work and all that good stuff. So I was like, you know what, I need to make a video. Or this weekend was filled with that, yeah. If you guys go on my TikTok though, you guys can see like regular everyday foods that I could just film real quick. Quick little snippet. So bomb. The sour cream's like on this side, I've noticed. It has a lot of cheese. So good. I also like the carne asada nachos because it has like that crunch, you know? Oh, here, take a bite. I'm super quiet because the boys are asleep. So this spot is called Don Torta. No, Don Tortaco. Mexican Grill. And they just opened up on over here, like literally right up the street from my house, which I'm so happy about. The only thing is they say that they're open 24 hours, but they're not. A couple months back, Tommy and I were drunk. It was like 1:30 in the morning and they were closed. We didn't drive there. We called. I thought all Mexican spots were open 24 hours, but we have another Mexican spot that's open 24 hours, but it's a little further down. This is not gonna be a long video, y'all. I have a couple errands to run. I don't know if they'll call me again tonight. I'm already getting full. This is bomb. It tastes like a Fanta, but nowhere near like a sweet Fanta. Like, you know it's not soda, you know it's fresh. But anyways, y'all, what was I watching? I was watching that whole Quavo and Sweetie drama thing. Excuse me. All that just shows me that you don't really ever know anyone's, excuse me, relationship situation, and don't just go based off of the, he's buying me this, he's buying me that, to show your love. That your love is not measured through material things. That's why I never, out of all my videos and everything, even the people that know me, I never wish to be in anyone else's like relationship situation, or I wish I had this. Not even like Jay-Z and Beyonce. Like, that whole thing came out, I was just like, oh, no one's safe. No one's safe out in these streets. All you can do is just trust your partner as much as possible, especially if they've never given you a reason to show you, you know, that they've, you know, are being disloyal. And just trust them until they give you a reason not to. Don't just not trust them automatically, you know, or be insecure, because then that may just spark it for them. Like, oh, you know what, she's already insecure. She already thinks I'm doing this or that. Let me go do it since she already thinks I'm doing it, you know? So basically, don't just uproot the relationship when you first starting it being insecure already. That's not going to be good, excuse me, in the long run, you know? Trust me, you don't want those insecurity problems and not trusting your man to go anywhere by himself, and you don't want that. Also, the whole posting the thing that everyone's happy, everyone's this, that everyone's that. You guys, the internet is meant to show your good sides, to show your good moments, not your bad moments, you know? Yeah, obviously when there's someone passes away and all that, you know, they post that, but ain't no one gonna post like if they found out their man cheated on them, or, you know, unless they're really, really done, or sometimes they're not even really done. They still post it and then go back to them. So that's why I think Sweetie had enough of it when she went on that interview. And she just had enough. Now that video that came out, that leaked, they said that I guess that was his jewelry box or something, and she was taking it. I don't condone, I don't even care if she was taking it, the fighting with her. But I guess you could say that she was fighting back. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that video that just came out, that just leaked, of them in the elevator. And I believe it was his jewelry. Let me know if it was his jewelry. That's what I read. And I'm sure he had millions of dollars of jewelry in there. So would you have reacted the same way? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. The whole thing is sad. But this is exactly why I don't, with anyone's relationship, if you ever watch all of my videos, if you watch every single one of my videos, excuse me, you will see that I've never, oh my God, I wish I was them. Oh my God, I wish I had a love like them. I don't do that anymore. I think after the Beyonce Lemonade album dropped down, I just never felt that way about anyone, because I think I used to always like say it and like always like tell Tommy like, oh my God, if we're like them, but now I'm just like, I don't know what's what with anyone. I can't just base it off their Instagram. I'm full. Just like I would never try to sell you and me. I mean, I would never try to sell you guys, me and Tommy's relationship, because we are perfectly imperfect. We have a lot of flaws. We have a lot of learning to do as a couple. You know, even though we're 5 years in, coming up, it'll be our 5 years. That's why I'm not crazy about getting married. Yeah, we had a child. We got a house. These are two big, you know, big steps in our relationship. But we're still learning each other. Having a child either breaks you apart or brings you together, you know. So for us, we've been through ups and downs. And at the end of the day, if I ever wanted to leave and ever wanted to walk away, I could, but I choose not to, because I would rather us continue learning each other and building with each other than to just destroy it. You know what I mean? It takes years and it takes years and different what is it called, storms and what is it called, what is Tommy called, seasons. It takes seasons to know people. When you're down, when you're up, when you've lost a job, when you lost a family member, when you've lost, or when you're at your highest point, you have to go through all these seasons with your partner in order. You have to go through all of that in order to know how they are in every phase. So that way, can you handle them? Can you not? Some people, they fall in a deep depression if they've lost a family member and they're just not there. You know, they can be in the room all day. Can you handle that? Or you guys got married in a year, there was no deaths, no nothing, and now you're like trying to figure out, what am I going to do? How am I going to get this person out of depression? Excuse me. how am I going to do this? How am I going to do that with them? But because you don't know them. You got married in a year and you don't know all of the seasons that come with it. Now, there are people that have gotten married in a year. I don't know anyone specifically myself, but I'm sure there's someone in the world that got married in a year and they've died together, and they, or they've, been married 40, 50, 60 years, who knows? I don't know anyone like that. My parents, they were together for like 8 years till they got married. And they're still married. So they learned each other, and that's why I'm in no rush to get married. Even though I have a feeling that it's coming up, because we talk about it. We talk about marriage. We talk about all that stuff now, but we weren't talking about it in a year or two, or not even 3 years being in. We did have a child, so I would say don't have a child with someone unless you know them, but I was already 3 years in, and I seen how he was with his son, so I was just like, even if we don't work out, I know he's an amazing father regardless. So, but yeah, y'all, that whole thing, I'm praying for the both of them. If you're going through something like that, please reach out to your friends or family, or there's a ton of hotlines that you can go to get help. So that is it for me. That is my little preach for today. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video and hearing me go on and rant. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button, share with your friends and family, let them know what I got going on over here. Until the next time, bye.